In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect router DCP-T420W to Wi-Fi. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. This specific model of router printer can be connected to a Wi-Fi network. You will primarily do this by using the Browser iPrint and Scan mobile app. So before starting, if needed, go into the Play Store or the App Store and look for that specific application. I'm going to show on screen how it looks. So download Browser iPrint and Scan. It is free to download and you will be able to get it on your Android or iOS device. Once you have the app downloaded, start by opening it up. At the bottom, if you have never used it before, it's just going to label it as no device detected or selected. You can tap on this option and begin connecting your printer. So if your printer is not connected to your network, choose on this second option here, and I'm going to assume that's the case for you. If it is, you can connect it by choosing this first option, but we're going to disregard that for this video. So choose the second option and now connect your mobile device to Wi-Fi. Your phone should already be connected to your main Wi-Fi network. If that's the case, then you can tap connected and proceed. If not, go into the Wi-Fi settings and make sure to set it up there. Once you tap connected, now you have to identify the model of your browser printer. In this example, the T420W. If you have a different model, then just input its name here. If it doesn't appear on this list, it means that you cannot use the mobile app alongside your specific printer. If it is on the list and you tap on it, you will now get instructions on what to do. For this particular model, the T420W, you will have to press and hold the Wi-Fi button. So press and hold the Wi-Fi button on your machine's control panel for more than 2 seconds. Confirm that the Wi-Fi LED is flashing quickly. So while you are on that menu, press and hold the Wi-Fi button. The LED should start blinking. Usually it's going to start blinking green to indicate that the Wi-Fi process has been started. Once this happens, you can go back and type on confirmed, and a new pop-up will appear. Connect your mobile device to the setup Wi-Fi network. The printer is going to create a network with the name setup. So all that you have to do now is tap on open Wi-Fi settings. This will automatically redirect you to your networks available nearby, and you must switch from your current network into the setup network that was created by the printer temporarily. It shouldn't be password protected, so you can just tap on it and connect. With that done, you can go back inside of the app, and finally, it's time to select the Wi-Fi network that you want to connect your machine. So in this case, it is going to be your main Wi-Fi network that will be used on your specific printer. So just tap on your network on this list here, input the password, and as long as the credentials are good to go, it is going to be connected and consequently added into the app. So you will see the setting up menu here, connect it to your mobile device, set up Wi-Fi on the machine, and then it will be added into the app. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.